tasty, yummy, creamy, garlic, chili, soy sauce, ramen eggs. They make a very healthy, fulfilling snack and also a good addition to any meal. Today I'm going to teach you how to make them, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to try to attempt to make soy sauce eggs. So in a pot I have 4 eggs. You can put as many eggs as you want to make, but in some cold water, and I have the flame on high, and I'm just gonna bring this to a boil. Actually starting from now, I think I will boil it for 8 minutes and then I'll take it out. Or is that not long enough? Let's do 9 minutes. Okay, and then you're supposed to stir, create a vortex so that the yolk stays in the center. Now I have the eggs into some water with ice, cold water with ice, and I'm just cooling it down to stop the cooking process. And this will also shrink the egg back a little bit, so it should be easier to peel. And it looked like one of my eggs did crack in the pot a little bit, so it's okay if water gets in there. That'll also make it easier to peel. So I'm just gonna move this around and let it cool down, and then I will peel them, and then we'll work on the sauce. Okay, so I filled the pot with a little more water, and I'm going to use this dark soy sauce in here. Don't know how much to pour. I'm just gonna pour enough. There we go. Into the soy and water mixture, I'm gonna put some garlic powder. I don't know why, just for flavor. And also some chili flakes. I'm kind of just making this up, so you can put whatever you want in yours. In this mixture I have soy, water, garlic powder, chili flakes. Just gonna stir it up. Let this egg marinade just simmer. Put your peeled egg into the mixture. This was the only egg that peeled perfectly. So I guess the lesson is to wait until the eggs completely cool down, besides before trying to peel them, or else you're going to get wonky looking eggs like that. So I'm just going to put this into the pot carefully without splashing, and then I'm going to stir it so that it's evenly coated. Okay, so I'm just going to roll it around so that it's evenly coated. Kind of like making Easter eggs, but tasty ones you can eat. Yum, yum, yum. This looks really, really good already. And supposedly you're supposed to just let this simmer in the liquid for 15 minutes. You can also store this in the fridge overnight if you want a darker, more intense flavor. But I'm just gonna let this sit for as long as I can wait. Okay, these are the eggs about 5 minutes later, so you can see they are getting darker pretty fast. And I'm just kind of stirring, like rotating them in the sauce. Yum. So after 15 minutes, like I said, you can soak this longer. I'm probably going to save this sauce to make more eggs because it will be a waste to throw it away. And I'm excited to taste them. Okay, here are the eggs about 10 to 15 minutes later. They are getting pretty dark. In the camera, it looks a lot lighter. In person, it looks way darker. Let me turn off my light so you can see here. Okay, see how dark? I don't know. Does that make a difference? Maybe not. But yeah, they are way darker. Okay, here is the finished egg. You can see how dark it got. I picked the prettiest one for you guys. So the egg is still a little warm from Look at that. That's awesome. That looks delicious. Yum. You see the jammy yolk? Perfectly cooked. And then you see the line where all the soy marinade and the garlic and the chili flakes got in there. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so I'm just gonna try one. Thirsty. It'll probably taste even better after it soaks longer, but not bad for my first try. Yum.